Hello and welcome to episode 189 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to show you some combination of chordal playing with single note playing. In the context of fingerstyle, this is something you do all the time, and it shows Smooth by Santana, the main riff before the vocal starts. It's a nice example for this. So here I'm playing this E minor at the 5th fret, the open A string, and like that, then F, then E major, then this melodic pattern. That 4th fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 8th fret on the high E string, and then put the low E string below it. So the whole thing is like this. Should sound familiar. And just get used to flipping between that and trying to have the chords not overshadow the melody. It should be about the same volume, with the melody of course being the most important thing, but when the melody is done, then you want the chords to pop out, just not so loud that it's overshadowing it. Just start slow, and again, just get used to first the chords. You get the rhythm down. And see how I'm doing sort of alternate singles and doubles in the bass like that, which is also a good exercise. So I hope it's useful to you. Have fun with it and let me know any comments or questions you may have. Thanks for watching.